What's up, ComSci community? I'm back with day number 25 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge. And today is extra special because today is the first day I start to learn JavaScript. So first I got an overview of JavaScript, like how it's used, where it's used, what it's used for, and then I jumped in and started learning some of the basics. I learned how to write messages to a document, how to display messages as an alert, and how to display messages in the console. I also learned how to use the JavaScript console in Chrome DevTools to debug my JavaScript. Then I learned how to add my JavaScript to an HTML document, and I put my skills to the test by creating my first JavaScript program. It's a really simple program stating that the message will self-destruct in 3, 2, 1, and then it self-destructs. So this might seem really simple to a lot of you pros, but to me this was probably the most exciting days of my 100 Days of Code journey. Even though I already know the very basics of web development, such as using HTML, CSS, mobile first design, responsive design, and Flexbox, I know that learning JavaScript as well as other CSS fundamentals is just going to make my web pages so much more dynamic and interesting to use. Alright, well that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.